So, if you guys didn't catch the video that I uploaded recently before today, I believe I uploaded that yesterday. At the end of the video, after I did my whole highlight and showcasing the shinies I caught 6 more. Just look at them all sleeping over there. It's like they don't even know what kind of pain and suffering. So good news is I was able to do a bit of a back and forth grinding thing, and I found an outbreak, which is the Hisuian Growlithe. So we will be able to catch a shiny Growlithe with this. So let's go to beachside, and then we're gonna save, and then we're gonna see how my luck is. You know, there's one thing I have to ask. So with Growlithe as a fire rock type, me now being like 4 times weak to water and ground, do I need like a different stone? Huh? I have no idea what happened there, but okay. Come here, Growlithe. I'll find out if I need a firestone for you. Huh. What was that noise I made? What was that noise I made? So will the firestone work? Apparently yes. I'm gonna save just in case if for some reason like it's not the Hisuian Arcanine. But because it's already a Hisuian variant, I highly doubt it's not gonna be a Hisuian Arcanine. I know something tells me that it shouldn't be that, so let's see. Okay, so he keeps the yellow perp. Okay, yellow. Say hello to the shiny Growlithe, to the shiny Arcanine. I look at him jump. You know, I kind of wonder, like, it's just like, whatever happened there at the time? Call me a contradictory all you like. I'm just calling you a goddamn headache, okay? I'm just calling you a headache, not contradictory, not complex, nothing. You're just a headache. I'm surprised people are dealing with you at some points. My highest calling is to please Almighty Sin. Well, you're not really doing a good pleasing. I feel like you're just gonna be doing more annoying than anything. Do I really? I guess we really. Oh, you have friends. You know, why am I not surprised? Raging Fury, please. There, are you satisfied? Yeah, that's what called losing is. When you didn't win, you still lose. There's no difference. That's just it. Like I said, this person just gives a headache. Well, it's a giant electrode, so I don't know. It's not like it's gonna constantly keep self-destructing in my face and all that whatnot. Well, we are now heading into the boss. Everything seems to be normal so far. Oh, giant tree. Oh, hey, look! Voltorbs. Oh, they don't look. Oh, there you. That's a big one. It was upside down. What to do? What to do? What are you sending at me? What are you sending at me? What are you sending? You're literally sending kamikaze. Okay, what is this even gonna leave me alone? Are they gonna leave me alone anytime soon? Nope, they don't go away. They don't go away. They don't go away. Am I just permanently running forever? Could you please stop sending more of those things at me? Oh, hello. What? I see. Oh, wait. Why are you following me? Why are you following? Hey. Hey, personal space, please. Okay, do these things not go away? Okay. Hey, can you do me a favor and something struck for me? Please? I would very much like to get rid of these balls of electricity of doom. Where are you guys falling from? Seriously, there's nothing above us. Are you guys literally jumping from the cliffs? Okay. Oh, I'm in the range. I'm in the range. Okay, well, can you 6 feet, please? Can you personal space, my dude? Can you not do? Can you please go without having to throw those electric balls of death? Ah! Okay. Okay, enough with the electro balls. Enough with the self-destruct. Oh god. Oh god. Am I in a makeup movie? Okay. Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Seriously, where are your Voltors coming down from? Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Please tell me you're about to self-destruct again. Nope, you just want to sit out more. Okay. Oh, did the range get bigger? The range got big. The range got bigger. The range got bigger. Come on, eat. Smell it. Smell the burns. And not send electric ball of doom at me! Oh god, oh god! Ah! Out of the way. Oh, that's a blue one. That's a blue one. Why is there a blue one? What does the blue one do? Run, 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 run. Keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running. Okay, okay. Does this thing go away? Do these things eventually go away? Oh, he's about to self-destruct again. Oh. God, smell this. Snap out of it. Get rid of your frenzy zone. You're free, my dude. Oh my god. Oh, there was so much explosions and so much things. So many questions that was coming out from that fight. So Warden Mealy believes that the frenzies of these Pokemon are some sort of trial set by Almighty Sinnoh. Yeah, and guess who has to clear them all? We cannot know if that is the case or not, but it does beg the question. Why ever would this Almighty Sinnoh drive the nobles to a frenzy? 'Cause they're dicks. Why wouldn't they? If they had the power to create worlds to do whatever the crap they want, why would they not do this just for their own entertainment? Hey, who would have dreamed some strangers who tumbled out of the sky would be our salvation? Life never does stop surprising you. Yeah, I know, it's not... Yeah, I know. Maybe next time... I don't think there will be a next time for another person. If this becomes a common occurring thing, for some reason a random person dropping from the sky, I think there's a problem. That's right. I'm going to whatever place you just called it. Of course I'll go... Well, I'm all too aware of the injuries done to some of our own good people because of the frenzies of the other nobles. I mean, if it's like any other nobles, I just gotta dodge, weave, and just smack it with a whole bunch of bombs of its favorite food. Everything should be alright. I think so. Alright. I am not dressed for the right environment. I'm gonna say this right now. Doubtless his mission to attack our village will be another dangerous. Well, one has anything facing against the Lord has ever been safe. Everywhere that I went to has been a risk of my life. Okay, one of you guys are definitely not dressed up for this weather. Freezing, I'm practically sweating. How are you sweating it? Okay, whatever. Cause I haven't found anybody I haven't gotten any Pokemon that practically does Rock Smash. Unless if you're telling me that he does. Or does a Pokemon does. Jesus, okay. I did not know that. Okay, now I know. It's usually... Honestly, I think that should have been obvious. Mr. Dude over here isn't afraid of the cold. He's all good. So get with some proper introduction. At least you're straight to the point. I am Garrick. I serve as one of the Pearl Clan's warden. And you must be Ultima, right? Of the Galaxy team? Yep, and probably gonna be one of the ace. Well, he's in a frenzy, so... That leads to my next question. What is wrong with him being frenzied? It could trouble others? Dude, have you not heard what happened to the others? Then I have another question. Setting aside any orders, what is it your heart tells you to do? To quell his frenzy, that's what. Has done nothing to trouble any person or Pokemon. Are you sure about that? The Eternal Ice stuff can be found on top of Avalanche Legacy here. But to get there, you need my clan's help. Can't I just climb it with Sneasler's claws? I mean, those things are definitely sharp. Or is ice... But I guess ice can be more denser than rock in times. I guess. Even when she's not flying with Bravery, she's got her head in the clouds. Well, you'll understand once you meet her. Oh god, is she always in Cloud 9? Oh, she's coming right towards us. That's convenient. Oh yeah, that's Bravery. My clairvoyance told me that I lead you on a chase. Think you can reach me? Oh boy. You want bravery help so you can quell Avalok frenzies, don't you? Well, yeah. Well, you'll get it. But there's a cat. Yep. There's always a catch to these things, isn't there? She just left, didn't she? Where did she... Ah, she went all the way down there. Here's Snow Point Temple. I've opened the front door for you. Just a little more chasing left for you to do. Okay. Here it is. Am I really having fun playing with you, or am I bored? I'm gonna say you're just more or less trolling me at this rate. Guess I've been caught, so we're nearly done. That's no fun. And remember, my clairvoyance is showing me something else. What? Flying with bravery. Do you think that'll come to pass? I'll make sure it does. Like, I mean, this is why I'm here. Well, however, the future turns out flying with bravery isn't easy. Really want to be able to fly high in the sky. Prove to me you're strong enough. You want me to fight you? Sure, why not? Now, Garrity, because we're from right. Okay. Okay, what's going on, my English? Stay in school, guys. Now get ready, because here comes Rhyperior, Magmortar, and Electrify, all three of them. Why? Why? Hold on, why? Hold on, okay. Alright, none of them's ready to evolve yet. Well, Gabite isn't, but soon will be. Crack, crack. Alright, bravery, why not test out ultimate strength for yourself? Oh, come on. Of course you survive with one health. Why wouldn't you survive with one health? Why does everything not have... There, are you satisfied? We're good now. You can now call bravery and glide through the air with him. Okay, so with bravery, you can fly up high in the sky and explore the different areas of Heatwave from the air. You can summon bravery using the plus, and you can also press A button if you're falling from some height to summon him. Yeah, okay, you're just not gonna tell me anything else? Okay, well, wee bravery. So this is just a dash. Ooh, this is actually... Yeah, this is gonna be so much more helpful. And then a little bit of a wee. Oh, this is gonna make it so much more faster. Ah, what's up? Okay, what's up, God? What do you need? What we got? Oh, nothing? Okay, just telling me of eternal ice. Wahaha. Oh, him. How did you get up here? I still have my own doubts weighing on my mind, but I will make the necessary preparations. Alright, well, everything all set up. Let me head back to the main camp, and let's see if I can catch myself another shiny. I'm gonna get myself killed by doing that. Alright, just have to eat the palace wine. Really don't care. Return to the village. Still waiting on the Petalilli, or at least a Voltorb, or any other rideable Hisuian Pokemon to be available. That works, Teddiursa. I can now catch a Teddiursa. Shiny Teddiursa, which will evolve into Ursaring, which could evolve into Ursaluna. Which can be helpful because I could be a tank. So let's save. No shinies. And I wish a shiny would appear right about now. Oh shit! Okay. Every time. Every time. Every time. Every time. Oh my god. Every time I see that, it's just like a small heart attack has to come out. Check it. Shiny Teddiursa. Oh, okay, well, I guess I'm going to be stuck with Teddiursa for a while. Alright. Guess that's an RNG. So I guess I'm going to have to ride Urs or Luna for a while till get one to spawn. But hey. That's one ride Pokemon down. Just another one to go. And he's still green. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys all enjoyed this. And live stream every Monday and Friday. Coming Thursday and Friday on this week, me and Robert, we're going to try to beat Pokemon Shield Nuzlocke Soling. But that's probably not going to happen. So other than that, thank you guys all for watching. And until then, I'll see you guys all when I see ya.